Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do Countif in Google Spreadsheet. So I have my data here. I wanna know about Apple Countif. So just press equal on your keyboard and type the function which is Countif. Okay, and then choose Countif and then select the range. Okay, and comma. We want to know about Apple. Apple is located at D2, so write D2. Okay, and then enter. Okay, so we know the countif of Apple is 3. If you did not trust it, just count it by yourself. 1, 2, and 3. It's correct. Okay, so we try banana. Okay, write equal and start the function again. Countif. We want to try. Okay, so select the range and comma. Banana is located at D3, right? So we type D3 and enter. So we know the countif of banana is 2 and we count it 1, 2. It's correct guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.